Are you looking for the best squat racks? In this video we will look at some of the best squat racks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cap Barbell Power Squat Rack. Cap Barbell brings you the most inexpensive product on our list, coming in nice and lightweight and super fast to assemble. All in all, you get a lot for a very little price, backed by a staggering review average by over 800 customers. Weight is evenly distributed throughout the 3-wall stand, which also includes spot to store additional plates. You're taking the minimalist approach, but you're also getting a 2-for-1 when you go with Cap Barbell, position the bar, and perform pull-ups in the same space. While Cap Barbell Power Squat Rack is an excellent buy, we're firm believers in the "you get what you pay for" mindset. That being said, you're going to outgrow this, or find no use for it if you're already lifting over 300 pounds. It caps out at 300, but gets a bit hard to work with around the 275 marker. While the all-steel construction is excellent quality, it does have its limits. If you're starting your own home gym, you want a multifunctional piece of equipment, or you just don't want to be scrutinized for going to the gym and starting at ground zero to build muscle, Cap Barbell is there for you. This is the perfect rack to begin training with, and work your confidence and self-esteem up to where you want it to be. Number 2. Fitness Reality 810 LX Power Squat Rack. Cages offer more personal safety than standalone models, and Fitness Reality put their best engineering to the test with this model. All steel, with a weight capacity up to 800 pounds, and a stellar size to fit into most home gyms without congesting your space. You get 19 adjustable height differences, and the entire machine is compatible with 7-inch Olympic regulated bars. Pull on your bar to perform pull-ups, or use any of the 12 different positions to get a full workout. While the issues are minor, they shouldn't be ignored. Firstly, Fitness Reality 810 LX came with more than a few dings and scrapes, and this has become a common problem among many buyers. Steel is heavy to move and hard to manage, we get that. Structurally, there were zero problems with the steel, bolts, or the finished result. One safety concern we noticed is a slew of reports that say the weight catch pegs have been known to fail, and to monitor your bar when you place it down. We have reason to believe it was poor assembly by the purchaser, as we didn't run into an issue with it, but it's still noteworthy. Starting your home gym can begin with under $300, and one hell of a workout, no matter how tall you are. This cage offers a long-lasting life, even though you only get a 1-year limited warranty, and plans to save you thousands in gym membership costs over the years. Working out, or working up your confidence levels, either way, Fitness Reality's got your back. Number 3. JELENS S11 Squat Rack. Maximize the use of JELENS Squat Rack to create your home gym. One machine can meet your diverse needs. JELENS provides everything you need for full body workout, such as bench presses, squats, 360 degrees mines, seated rowing, pull-ups, triceps extensions and more, allowing you to do unlimited exercise in a limited space, taking muscle training to a new level. JELENS Power Cage is equipped with an up and down pull-down pulley system. The latest upgraded precision steel shaft pulley and polished high-strength solid steel wire rope greatly improve the smooth and steady operation, reducing the noise to the extreme and not disturbing others. Made of 50mm x 50mm heavy-duty steel pipes, the power rack can withstand a safe weight of 2,000 pounds. All steel pipe surfaces are polished by high-speed sandblasting, smooth and rust-resistant. In addition, there are a total of 13 heights to choose from on the steel pipe, all of which are marked with laser-cut numbers to help you quickly locate the desired position. Equipped with a full set of professional fitness accessories, JELENS provides you with a complete and diverse home fitness experience. Number 4. Mikolo F4 2.0 Squat Rack. Experience the industry-leading dual-track smooth glide system. Unlike single-post designs that tilt and friction, our precision-engineered dual steel guide rods ensure a butter-smooth, consistent pull for every rep. High-strength aircraft cables handle up to 500 pounds, professional gym quality, now in your home. Unlock your true strength. Our F4 2.0 features a unique 5-level adjustable leg roller, leg hold down. It securely anchors your thighs, preventing your body from lifting off during heavy lat pulldowns. Perfect for powerlifters who want to challenge their limits safely and comfortably. Why buy separately? This massive set includes a power squat rack, cable row, dip station, and 360 degrees landmine. Fully equipped with a lat bar, cable handles, T-bar, and J-cups. It's the ultimate multifunction power cage solution that replaces 5 different gym machines. Constructed from high-tensile gauge steel, 50mm x 50mm, with a rock-solid wide base. Features 27 adjustable height positions and reinforced safety bars. With a tested 1,000 pound static capacity, this heavy-duty power rack provides maximum protection for solo training in any garage or basement. Number 5. Goimu DP01 Squat Rack. Why choose between a power rack and a functional trainer when you can have both? The DP01's innovative design maintains a compact depth while delivering an expansive 47.64 inches of interior training space. This means you can perform bench presses with full range of motion inside the safety of the full cage, then step outside to utilize the dual pulley system for hundreds of cable exercises. Transform your limited space into a complete home gym station. The DP01 power cage combines a full squat rack, functional trainer, lat pull-down, low row, pull-up bar, landmine, and cable crossover system into one ultra-compact unit with a minimal footprint of only 17.88 square feet, perfect for apartments, garages, and home gyms. Our 2-to-1 cable pulley ratio provides buttery smooth motion for exercises like bicep curls, tricep pushdowns, and cable crossovers. The fully independent dual pulley system is a game changer. Whether you're rehabilitating an injury with unilateral training, following a complex workout circuit, or want to share the gym with a partner, the DP01 offers complete flexibility without compromise. Achieve perfect form with incredibly precise adjustments. The cable system offers 31 height options, while the J-hooks and safety bars feature 29 finely spaced adjustment points, 1 inch apart. This allows for seamless transitions between exercises like lat pull-downs, shoulder presses, and squats, tailoring the rack to your exact body and workout needs.